Hi, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to learn Chinese fast and easy? If you do, put yes below. And in this lesson, I will use a strategy that combines with speaking, listening, reading, and writing Chinese characters. I also use a sentence and 成语 to teach you guys. If possible, I will use picture to help you understand easily and remember tough. Okay, let's have fun now. Okay, I usually go over with homework from last video, and this is our 成语 and the sentence. Okay, 大 is big. 慈爱才 is talent. 西凹小 is small. 一翁用 is use. Its literal explanation looks like this, but it really tells us that it's waste one's talent on a petty job. I made a sentence. It's called 造句 from this 成语. Okay, 大材小用. Okay, 一翁永一无安远永远 is never. 不要不要 is don't. 日恩认 认为 is think. 自己自己 is self. 是 is 大材小用 OK 永远不要认为自己是大材小用 OK and let's go over with our sentence 我 is I 告事务数告诉 is tell 那一你莫恩门你们 is you 那一你莫恩门的你们的 is your 一 is righteousness 如果如果 is if 不 is not 是恩甚一无余剩余 is surpass 无恩文知识文士 is teachers 和 is and Pharisees 的 is of 义 is righteousness 契约决 is must 不不能 is cannot 基因进 is into 特意安天各倭国天国 is kingdom of heaven 我告诉你们你们的义如果不胜于文士和 is and 和 Pharisees 的义绝不能进天国 Hi guys, new lessons. Okay, we have 21. Let's say this 20. Okay, so 21 Okay, 21句话 sentence 不靠的话 and we have a new 成语 Okay, 特翁痛得应定思特翁痛痛定思痛痛 is pain 思 is thinking so you find out this word because these two are the same okay so you find this word I'm going to lead you guys write this 成语 okay 痛定思痛痛 is painful 痛定思 is thinking 痛 Okay, let's start our sentence 那因你莫恩门你们特应听是我说听说歌舞鼓日恩人古人德为对我爱百其因信百姓是我说不可不可是阿杀日恩人杀人佛安凡是阿杀日恩人的杀人的佛一必是欧受是恩审破安判审判你们听说古人对百姓说不可杀人凡杀人的必受审判 Okay, let's read our Chinese, okay? The sentence 你们你们 听说听，说，古人古人对，百姓百姓说，不可不可可，杀人杀人，烦，杀人的杀人的，必受审判审判。Okay, guys, homework. Homework is good for you. Homework is help you to get this language, okay? 家庭作业 okay, homework we call it 家庭作业 So, download a translator. Translate each single word. Only if I'm on the line, you can check them together. That way helps you learn even faster. Okay? Read 2 times and read 30 times. Watch an episode of Chinese TV series every day. And I have a 2 here. First one is called 还珠格格 and second one is called 神雕侠侣. Both are very, very entertainment and they both maintain a lot of 成语, okay? Actually, we speak 成语 a lot in our life all the time. So it's very a treasure to you, okay? Okay, I hope you guys have fun with your homework and give me thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss my new videos, alright? I will see you next Friday.